Greg. He's trying so hard, but fate has intervened. You're working tirelessly on so many projects, so many crucial files stored on your drives, and then, just like that, it's all gone. You want to recover your data. Why not do it yourself? Data loss can happen anytime, and it can ruin your day unexpectedly. Accidental deletions.
Oh no.
Virus attacks, and improper formatting, partition errors, emptied recycle bins, unexpected power loss. Luckily, you still have a chance to rescue that precious data. Lost files aren't absolutely gone. Until they're overwritten, all of that information is on your computer, somewhere, and with the proper tools, you can get it back. What if your desktop is completely shut off and you can't run your operating system properly? You can still run Recoverit. Seriously. Oh, and did I mention recover mode? Our advanced recovery algorithm guarantees a faster and deeper data scan and a more thorough recovery process, so we avoid missing all those juicy files lost in the void. No matter the situation, Recoverit can recover your most valuable files from all your favorite devices. Doesn't matter where it is. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter when it is. Try it today and recover it.